Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to transfer Bitcoin from Kraken to another wallet. It's not something difficult. I'm going to share with you the steps today and you're going to see that it's not something complicated at all. So now I'm going to open my browser. And as you can see here, for the first step, this is from the official website of Kraken.com. And as you can see, they said the first thing that you need to do is to sign into your Kraken account and navigate to portfolio. So you can see from the images, they are explaining also on the images. So it could be easier for you. The second step, which is click the withdraw button, and then search for the currency you wish to withdraw and then click on it. For in our case, we want to transfer Bitcoin. So all you need to do is to just search for Bitcoin and click on it. And then select a previously added address or click the add address. Okay, so here click on the add address button and enter the amount you would like to withdraw in the amount field or click max, and make sure that the amount is greater than the minimum listed directly under this field and click withdraw. Okay, for the sixth step, which is double check that all the information is correct, so make sure that all the informations all of them are correct and then click confirm withdraw. Okay, and like this you're going to be able to transfer Bitcoin from Kraken to another wallet easily, or any other cryptocurrency, not only Bitcoin. So this was the video. I hope it was useful to you and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.